Hi students, today we're going to talk about hard skills and soft skills. When you are searching for a job, it is useful to be able to describe your skills. Job skills are often described in two categories, hard skills and soft skills. Let's begin by talking about hard skills. Hard skills are skills you learn through school or on-the-job training. These skills are specific to a particular job. For example, a hard skill for a cashier is using a cash register. And maybe a hard skill for a teacher is lesson planning. And an electrical technician needs to use specialized tools and machines. These are all examples of hard skills. These are skills you learn in school or on-the-job training. Now let's move on to soft skills. Soft skills are skills that can be used in any job. These skills are often called transferable skills because you can transfer them from one job to another job. Soft skills are often used in everyday situations, and they are not specific to a particular job. Some examples of soft skills include working on a team and communicating effectively or efficiently, managing your time, problem solving, or multitasking. These are all examples of soft skills that you can use in everyday situations, and they are valuable in many different jobs, not only one job. Okay, let's see what you remember. Can you remember what 3 examples of hard skills are? Go ahead and push pause and write down 3 examples on your piece of paper. When you are ready, you can come back and see if you remembered correctly. Okay, one example is using a cash register. Another example is lesson planning if you are a teacher. Another example could be teaching. And another is using specialized tools. Can you think of other hard skills? Okay, what do you remember about soft skills? What are 3 examples of soft skills? Go ahead and push pause and write down 3 soft skills on your paper, and when you are ready, you can come back and see if you remembered correctly. Okay, number one example is time management. Another example is teamwork or working on a team. Another example was multitasking. And another example was problem solving. And we missed another example, which is communicating effectively. And can you think of any other soft skills? Okay, that's all for hard skills and soft skills. So when you are finished here, you can move on in Blackboard and you can continue the next exercise about hard skills and soft skills. Okay, have fun.